LLY stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Eli Lilly and company stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this page with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, I'm not even playing, it's all documented. Especially with LLY. With this big of a freaking bullish market, the one thing that I would care most about is even after getting 2 break-evens in a row, and after this bigger kind of pull down, the one thing that's going to make me be bullish is a proper double break. Now, there is a reason why I have this waiting text here that I'm just trying to draw over. It's because I'm waiting for a confirmation, and this is about to take time. I mean, last thing that I'll be doing, man, is just randomly start buying here. If it does not give me that confirmation, even like, I'm not going to buy, right? Like, because this is steep, and when the price is going down like this, last thing I would do is randomly buy, because you don't know everything. You have no structure. Where the heck would you put it? Your SL, you know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get free souls, then just click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, enjoy.